Today, we will bring you the solution of SMT pad warping. The first step is to clean the area to be repaired and ensure that it is clean. The second step is to remove the failed part, including the failing pad and a small section of line. The third step is to use a knife to hang up the residue, stains and burn materials during SMT patch processing. The fourth step is to hang up the solder resistance, coating and cleaning area on the SMT patch processing connection line. The fifth step is to remove the solder resistance, coating and cleaning area on the patch processing connection line. Add a small amount of flux to the surface of the board. Clean. Sixth, cut. Trim the new pad. Seventh step, select a suitable shape of the new pad bonding nozzle. Position the PCB.
Everything changes.
Eighth step, with the liquid flux to weld the connection line of the new pad to the PCB surface circuit. Ninth step, apply the mixed resin to the connection line. XZH Technology Co. Ltd. is a one-stop PCBA service provider.